Hi viewers, welcome to Active Life channel. Nowadays we are facing many health issues. To be active whole day, we have to take energetic food. Today I have prepared one weight loss and energy booster food which make you active whole day and you will be healthy forever. I will explain each and every ingredients and their health benefit also. So you please watch till end. Take half spoon of ghee or butter and 100 grams of badam or almonds. Almonds are rich in fiber and it controls the bad cholesterol. Heat the almonds for 5 minutes and remove in another pan. Walnuts are akhrout. This is very useful for the children and all the youngsters and all the old people also because it gives healthy brain and improves the memory. Take 100 grams of walnut and heat it for 3 to 4 minutes and remove. It keeps bones strong and improves memory power. Pista I have taken and dry roasted. It is also have many health benefits. High in antioxidants, low in calories and it helpful for weight loss. It promotes healthy blood vessels and improves our energetic vessels. I have dry roasted 100 grams of cashew nut. It is high in proteins and it controls the cholesterol. It solves many skin problems. It gives our bones stronger. If you can dry roast or you can use ghee also or butter also to roast it. Dry dates are rich in polyphenols and it controls cancer. Diabetics patients, they will have sugar control. Children who want to grow their height, it is very useful. Raisins have natural sugar in them. It helps the men in sexual function. It has many health benefits. It eliminates toxins from our body. It has more potassium and magnesium. The video is too long, but you will get each and every ingredient's benefits and you can use little bit, take 125 grams of each ingredient and make it at home and try. When you get health benefits from it, you can continue by increasing the ingredients amount. Fix sustains weight loss. It gives strong bones, treats piles, promotes heart health, manages diabetic. It is very useful for weight loss. Dates are rich in fiber. It have high nutrients value, high in disease fighting antioxidants. It is helpful for the women who are pregnant and the girls who are having menstrual problems or PCOD problems. Clean the vessel with a clean towel to dry roast the other ingredients. It is sesame or what we call in Kannada yellow. It is helpful for every age people. It helps to give strong bones. It lowers blood pressure. It gives to make blood formation. Poppy seeds are helpful for digestion. It improves our skin, hair health. It treats asthma, cough, and headache. Most important for weight loss is flax seeds. This is very helpful for weight loss. White pumpkin seeds have high in antioxidants than sunflower seeds. It is also have many health benefits. Green pumpkin seeds, I have taken 100 grams each. Now dry roast all these ingredients. These 4 ingredients have more valuable nutrients. High in magnesium, it helps for weight loss. It gives weight loss 100%. You try this at your home. You can easily buy this from any grocery shop or departmental store or any big bazaar store. But use the ingredients which are packed with cleaned. This is muesli. I have taken 100 grams. Only dry roast it. This has many fiber in rich and it helpful for weight loss. You can take plain muesli or any. Oats are rich in antioxidants, powerful soluble fiber. It lowers cholesterol. Oats controls blood sugar. It reduces risk of heart disease. Oat contains magnesium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, copper, vitamin B1 and vitamin B5. Dry coconut has high in magnesium. It helpful for the heart, skin and hair also. क्लीन से दिखा पा Katira gold, it is very useful for immunity. It is also called as immunity booster. It regains strength in post pregnancy. It improves digestive system. You have to roast it till it becomes crunchy. It turns the color into white. These benefits for both men and women. If you don't get this Katira gond, you skip this and you can skip the ingredients and use other ingredients as to make weight loss laddu. Mix all the ingredients and grind it in a mixer jar. Take little amount and grind. Afterwards mix all the ingredients lastly. Lastly, I am grinding the oats, muesli, then pumpkin seeds, flax seeds. I will grind it and mix it to the dry fruits. Mix all the ingredients and make balls when it is hot only. Make balls with whichever size you want. Take one laddu with 1 glass of milk in the morning or in the evening. See the changes in your health benefit for 15 days. You can preserve it for 15 days outside the fridge only. Don't preserve in fridge or refrigerator. I have taken 19 ingredients to make this weight loss or energy booster laddu. If you don't get one ingredients at your city or in your town, you can skip 2 or 3 ingredients and make laddu, and you will gain weight loss in 1 month. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Let them improve their immunity and get weight loss as early as possible. This is energy booster to make your life active and healthy. Try once at your home. Thank you.